How to summon the King Slime in Terraria. So first is craft a slime crown. So you will need a demon or crimson altar to make one, since it's crafted there using gel, and a gold or platinum crown. So to get the gold crown or platinum, so you will need 1 ruby and 5 gold bars. And once you have the gold crown, find your demon altar. So I now have found a demon altar right here, so make sure that you also have some gels ready. And as you can see, you will need 20 gels and the gold crown that we made to basically craft the slime crown. Now once you have the materials, just basically craft it just like that, and we now have the slime crown in our inventory. Once you've got the crown, just basically equip it right here and consume it just like that to summon the King Slime. And just a quick tip, you don't actually always need the crown. King Slime can also spawn completely naturally on his own during a slime rain weather event, so keep an eye out during rainy conditions too. Either way, gear up properly before summoning him. He splits into smaller slimes as the fight drags on, and that's how you basically summon the King Slime in Terraria.